Once you've set up your map references, they can be saved, exported, imported, or changed. So this little button up here, Load Save, it actually does the same function as this Map Profile Management button over here. It brings up the exact same thing, but we'll just use this one for now. When we click this, we get up a little options box. So in here will appear to be all of the profiles we've set up. So when you set up a profile, or when you save a profile here, sorry, it'll save all of the information here, and it'll also save your advanced map setup. So what it means is you can use the same base map setup to make multiple different advanced setups depending on what you want to look at, or you can have different map refs just to reduce it to a minimum, just to save the build time for each one, or you can have different machines. So therefore, you know, on my main setup I actually have the ECU and TCU set up, multiple machines, whatever you want. Basically this is configurable to have however many maps profiles you want mixed with the advanced map setup as you like. So you can open a configuration by the open, or you can save a configuration. So once you put a configuration in here, save it, or if you change a configuration, make sure you save it again. It'll also allow the importing or exporting of profiles. Now that'll only be the information on this. So if you make a profile up and you want to share it with someone, you can export that loaded profile. It'll then create a file. It's very basic. It's just a copy over to another Excel spreadsheet, at which point you can save that, and it'll let you know that it's exported this information here to another spreadsheet. Now you can then send that to your friends or whatever, or just save it for your own convenience, and then they can come along, they can say to import the configuration. There it is there, that's the one that we just exported. So if I now import that, it'll come in. Obviously I already had that overwritten, so therefore it didn't matter. Because we've now loaded a new profile, it's just saying, well, now do you just want to go straight into a building, sorry, the saving of it into your database, because there's no point importing if you don't save, unless you just want to try it out and move on. So you don't have to. If I click yes here, it would just go straight into a saving situation. So we don't want to know about that right now, but that's it anyway. So that's the importing and exporting of these profiles to save if you're having to do your work over and over again, or just in case you want to just back it up. At the same point in time, you can delete a selected configuration. So whichever configuration you select here, so if we just, for instance, just go to put a test in here, and then we save this configuration, it's telling me I've got a new map I've entered, and that's okay. And it's telling me it's been saved. So now it'll appear they're all here. So if I now go to the SII and open that one up, it's now telling me that the information's changed, so I should build the maps. Well, I don't want to do that just yet because this is just a test. So therefore we can come back here. We can see we've got SOI loaded right now, but if we decide that we don't want to have the test one, we don't have to actually load it. We can say I don't want that anymore. Delete that one. Just confirming. We do want to delete it, and now it's gone. So it's gone from that list, and it's going back to the currently selected one. If it had been open and we had have deleted it, it obviously would have cleared off all this information as well. That is a quick overview, I don't think there's anything else there, of the profiling. And remember, it is this profile here combined with this when saving, so you can save different configurations, but exporting is just this. It won't export the advanced map setup. Again, I just haven't felt it's necessary, but it could all be done if required. Thank you.